This is Red Ribbon Week, an alcohol, tobacco, and drugs and violence prevention campaign. McDonald County students today addressed the tough subject of addiction in a fun way. Kindergartners through second graders blew away drugs through a bubble blowing activity. In addition to bubbles, students received activity sheets with conversation starters, 721 drug-free bracelets, and 750 activity books that promote positive thinking and healthy activities.
We want to blow drugs away here in McDonald County and really everywhere that we serve. And obviously at this young age, we want to be giving them messaging that they can understand that's really appropriate for them. But a big part of this project is not just the blowing bubbles, but the activity sheets that will go along with this.
63 lucky winners who participated in the week-long activities will receive color-changing cups. All of the festivities are free for the students, of course.